There are different types of ways to move a game object in Unity. One of them is transform.translate. In this video, we will see how transform.translate work. Now, inside the mover script, I create a float variable called speed. Then inside the update function, I write transform.translate. And then I assign that action where the cube will move. Then multiply it with speed and time.delta time. Now, cube is moving its given direction. Let's move the cube using keyboard input. Now, I will use keyboard input to move the cube in a different directions. Now you can see that the cube is moving different direction using keyboard input. For more basic Unity videos, please subscribe, and if you like this video, then press the like button. Thank you.